Hey, welcome to Playbook Affiliates. This is Lonnie here. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that like and share button so you can get all the cool information that I'll be putting out over the course of this case study. This is a case study with MLGs Secrets and Clickbank. What I'm trying to accomplish out of this over the next 90 days, I'm trying to get my accounts from zero all the way up to $350 $300 per week, like 352. That will work too. But basically how it is my lead gen is a email service which gives you 100 leads per day. So with those leads, you can use them to promote things to e-businesses on Clickbank or any other service similar to Clickbank like JV Zoom or Warrior Plus or any of those other ones. So, but with this particular one, we are working with Clickbank. So let's go ahead go into this. You get a drip fed of these leads, like 100. You're able to use them every 24 hours, which means it's set up so that you can't just spam the list and just keep going at it like that, which is a violation on email terms. If you refer someone, you can get up to $5 per month as a referral. If you refer 5 people, you can get up to $100 in that month. Here's the breakdown: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These are the levels in which how it works. Here's the setup that I use to help me get multiple accounts. Like I said in the beginning, you get 100 leads, but if you refer somebody, this moves to 200 leads. So the best way to show you that is the link chain lead boost. Basically, you link chain 5 email accounts together. So if I link this one with this one, I get 200, and this one gets 200 as well. This one, same thing, 200 all the way down. But the only part is at the end when you don't have an ender, this will remain at 100 unless you decide to get one more lead. So what I do is when I set up my emails, I set them up in a way that I'm promoting the products that I'm promoting, but I'm also promoting my lead gen as well to give me that extra person at the end. So let's kind of go into it. So I'm promoting an e-business product, which is live chat jobs. And then I usually use their email swipe list, which is down here. And I'll pick one of these, and then I will have ChatGPT rewrite that email using this particular formula. You can look it up, it works really well. PSA copywriter formula. Basically, it's you showing pain, or not necessarily pain, but like a pain point, like if someone is trying to make some extra money or trying to do better, you showcasing that pain, and then you want to agitate it a little bit, so that people really kind of hits in, and then you get them to the solution. So that's basically what my emails are designed around. So that would, let's go back into here. So once again, right through here, would you like to unlock the secrets of digital what? So that's starting to pinpoint. Like I want to figure out what that is, and then I go on to talk about it a little bit more. Then I give them the solution down here, and then we scroll down. So this will be going to my Clickbank account promotion, and then you scroll down here. Like I said, I created a one more chance type thing. One of the things you want to do is you want to be transparent. People can email you here, which I get emails there, or they can text message me. And then this here is another thing that I'm working on. And then I end it with my lead gen as well, so maybe I can get that extra lead. So if you are interested in using my lead gen, I have a link in my bio that you can use. Either use it, you don't use it, but it helps along. So, all right, let's go ahead and end this one a little bit. Today, I want to go into my lead gen. So I got some sales. I got a sale actually. I got a sale on Friday and Saturday. That sale came in after I actually actually did the video. So I got a sale Saturday and Sunday. Excuse me, Friday and Saturday. Nothing on Sunday. Today is Monday, so maybe I'll get a sale on tomorrow's video for today. But pretty much that's what happened. I did these 2 sales over the weekend. Not too bad. Like I said, I'm moving along, just keeping on, trying to be consistent. And that's the same thing you'll have to do with this if you decide to go down this route. So with that being said, I will see you guys on the next one. See you later.